Welcome to our channel. I'm Virginie and today I'm gonna create a Christmas cushion design. These are the products I will use in this video. If we are working on natural nail, we would have to apply the Urban Graffiti base coat. However, on acrylic or gel, this is not needed. Apply a thin layer of base coat and don't forget to cap the free edge. Cure in LED lamp for 30 seconds. We are going to apply 2 coats of Snow White. Now I'm going to add some drops of cyanide and crimson cream on the palette. And I'm also going to add some drops of Sphinx, which is from the glitter collection. I'm using a Burlesque natural pointed brush to do the diamond shapes. Make sure you have a lint-free wipe and dampen dish full of gel residue wipe-off solution at your side, so you can clean your brush when you need to. So I'm gonna draw my first diamond shape. First of all, draw a line and create a triangle shape. Repeat the same process down the nail. To tidy the design, dip your brush into the gel residue wipe-off solution and remove any excess gel from the shape. To secure your design, flash cure for 10 seconds. And flash cure for 10 seconds. Repeat the exact same process for the red color on each side. Using the Sphinx gel polish, I'm going to create some half diamonds on both sides of the nail. Add some glitter to the red diamonds. Put it in a lamp. Now I'm gonna add a top coat to seal in the design. Put it in a lamp. Here is the finished design. I hope you like it. All the products used in this video will be in the description box down below. So until next time, Merry Christmas and au revoir!